guys, Kyle Adams with DRV Luxury Suites. Today we are in the brand new 44 Orlando. It's kind of a hybrid bunkhouse. We're referring it to a flex room. If you're interested, stay tuned and we'll show you what it's all about. So walking into the living room, a couple changes we made for 2023. New slide fascia, brand new wood called Italian white, which we are really excited about. Great seating area. You've got a love seat that reclines. You've got a theater seat that reclines. Tons of storage, as you can see, above both seating areas. Above the main entertainment center, we've got 4 cabinets. Below the entertainment center, we've got a nice pull-out for storage. 2 areas right here to both the left and the right of the fireplace. Massive TV, lots of storage back behind. So as we walk into the Gourmet Kitchen, first thing, at least it popped to me, was the amount of prep space that we have. A lot of times, bunkhouses, flex rooms, call it what you want, you typically don't have this much workspace. Tons of storage, fantastic pantry area right next to the fridge. Lots of pullouts in here. We actually have an appliance garage with a 110 plug, 3 pullouts below that, 22 cubic foot fridge, storage above. As we come into the main kitchen area, obviously we do the dishwasher standard. We do the Insignia 4-burner oven / stove, Insignia microwave. It is a convection / microwave. And then as you'll note, pullouts, storage. Obviously, we want the family to be full-time. We want you to be on the road, but we want you to have storage to be able to put your things, place your things. Also want to touch on the farmhouse kitchen sink, stainless steel, 60-40 split, very deep, nice high-rise faucet. So you want to do that big pot, that big pan. We want to wash, have an area to dry. We're going to be able to do it. And then, like I said, stainless steel, so it's a product that's going to last. So as we walk into the master suite, one of the first things you'll notice, like we do in every other floor plan, a 72 by 80 king bed, wireless charging stand, her nightstands, plugs on both sides of the bed, light dimmers, plenty of storage above the bed as well as below the bed. Opposite the foot of the bed, we've got our vanity slide out. So we're going to have our TV, DVD player, storage on both sides, as well as a slew of drawers below the vanity cabinet. Walking into the bathroom, we've got the shower on the left-hand side, 1-piece fiberglass, sink in the middle, plenty of storage around the vanity area, both above, below, and to the right. And then we've got our macerator toilet on the right-hand side. So as we walk into the upper deck of the coach, this is where it gets really, really unique. First off, on the left here, we've got an extra half bath. Washer dryer goes in this room. It is a 2-piece stackable option. Plenty of storage. And then we get into the front bunk room area. So we've got a bunk room with 2 bunks, one on the door side, one on the off door side, a desk in the middle for 2. Lots of storage in the front, both hanging cabinets as well as pull-out drawers. But us being DRV, the reason we're referring to this as a flex room, if we want a larger desk, if we want more storage and maybe only 1 bunk, because we can do some of those semi-customizations, it's really kind of up to you, the customer. If there's something that you would like for us to do, give us a call at DRV and let's see if we can't make it happen for you. Really appreciate your time today. Thanks for watching our video. If you have more questions about this new floor plan or any floor plan that we offer, go to drvsuites.com and let us know how we can help you.